This 5-minute solution will show you how to post a PDF file on Facebook from mobile and share the PDF in Messenger or email. So if you have a PDF file on your phone and now you want to upload the PDF on your Facebook, follow these quick steps. Open your Facebook and note one thing, that Facebook doesn't provide any built-in feature to directly post a PDF file on their website. So all you have to need, just upload the PDF file in Google Drive. So open your Google Drive app and tap on this plus icon. Tap on upload. And all you have to need, just upload the PDF file here. Once the PDF file uploaded, tap on the PDF file and tap on this three dot and tap on manage access. Tap on restricted, and here you have to select anyone with the link. Then again tap on this three dot, tap on copy link to copy the PDF file link. Once you copy the PDF file link, open your Facebook app and tap on new post. You can write a caption here. Now paste the PDF link. Tap on next, and from here you can change the post audience. Tap on next, tap on share. Once the PDF uploaded on your Facebook profile, then anyone will be able to see the PDF by tapping on the PDF file link, as you can see. And the same way you can open your Facebook Messenger and open any conversation and paste the Google Drive PDF link. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.